Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.